Welcome to Miniature V. Like, share, and subscribe our channel. Today we are going to see Kawasaki Vulcan made by Maisto. This miniature Vulcan I have bought it from Flipkart, and it has come in a very good package. Uh, it's a fresh metal edition of Maisto. This is front and back look of the package. MRP rate is oversticked on it, and the bike looks a little heavy in the package itself. Let us unbox the bike. This bike looks so nice and a little heavy and over glassy finish. The wheel movement of the both the wheels are so good, and the first time I'm seeing Kawasaki logo in the number plate instead of Master logo. The detailing of the dual silencer, it's so good, and it's finished with chrome, and V-type engine is there, and headlamp is little poor, but it's okay for this size of model. um, and chrome is everywhere, and seat is little smooth, and it's like little cushiony effect, but it's a plastic. And Master's branding is here and there, it's there. You can watch our other videos by clicking I icon in the top. Stand movement is nice, and even it has been completed in a chrome finish. The overall the bike moves so smooth, and though it looks heavy, but it is smooth and really attractive. And you can buy this bike in the below mentioned link. This miniature is it's really a very good piece of collection in my diecast. And the steering everywhere, it is painted with chrome. The foot pedals, it has some black detailing, but it's not rubber. Everywhere it is chrome finished. See, and the 2000 the logo has been printed in it because the bike is 2000 cc, and somewhere Kawasaki things are there. This miniature Vulcan, it's really looks good and attractive. Kindly subscribe the channel and like and share the videos. Thank you.